Have you ever wondered how to ensure that data on the blockchain is secure and cannot be altered? Proof of work, POW, is the answer to that question. This is a unique way to verify and prove the correctness of transactions on the blockchain. So, what is POW? Let's find out. POW is like solving difficult puzzles to verify and prove that something is correct. For example, when you want to prove that you have completed a math homework, you have to solve those problems first. The puzzles on the blockchain work the same way. When you solve these puzzles, you are rewarded with a type of digital currency, similar to receiving a reward for completing homework. However, to solve these puzzles, you need to use a lot of energy, which is a controversial issue related to the environment. It's like when you want to heat your home in the winter, you have to use a lot of energy, and your electricity bill will increase. Using too much energy also creates environmental problems. POW not only contributes to ensuring the safety of the blockchain, but also plays an important role in promoting the process of mining digital currency. However, to address the issue of the environment, some blockchain systems have switched to using proof of stake, POS, instead of POW. So, what is POS? Stay tuned for the next part by following us.